Alright guys, it's the last vlog on this laptop. And just letting you guys know, it's been at 8% for the past 2 hours. That's crazy. But yeah, this is what I gotta go through. And then hopefully it doesn't crash and restart. That's what always happens. But this is gonna be the last vlog on this computer. And then, as you guys know, I got the new one right there. The HP gaming one. I'm gonna continue all my vlogs and everything, making it on that computer. I just want you guys to see why I hate this computer so much. Look at it. Fucking hate this shit. Man, look what time is it? What time is it? Look what time is it. 1:27 a.m. 1:27 a.m. Still putting in work. And I'm not even close to being done. It's crazy.
We're like 4.
Damn, nigga. This shit fast?
Hell yeah.
I mean, you're not someone.
You got the big trouble right there, yo. Damn.
You came like this or you did everything?
Fix my power snare. Oh. This way. Man, look at the sunset. Bro, why you just laying there, bro? Just get up. Damn, look at that. Let's see. Ooh. Got the rims all clean. I just didn't get to do the rotors or the brake dust or whatever. Got the rims all clean. Oh. Taking pictures of the Android quality. Nah, show the camera. Come on, bro, just show him. Show him real quick.
It's an iPhone.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's an iPhone.
Holy shit, show me the Apple. Show me the Apple one. Android. That Android quality, boy. Android. Dude was on the floor and everything. Oh, look, he right over there. Oh. Got the GoPro. finna turn right here. This is brand new, so don't judge. JJ, this is what you need to get on, JJ. This protects your paint. Did you know that? That's why I put it on. Did you know that, JJ?
Look like I need to protect my paint.
Bro, you got the cleanest paint job out here.
Man, my shit fucked up. I got dents everywhere all over my phone.
Oui. Huh?
I got dents all over.
Bro, I don't know where to find a mask for tomorrow, bro. They're gonna either put us in jail or give us $500 fine.
I'll go to
You'll go to jail because you don't got the mask? Alright, bro, you gotta stand this way, bro, because my address and everything. So you gonna go to jail instead of just putting on a mask? That's why I went to the house, because they were selling them there.
Idiot. You call me irresponsible. I gotta do an online class before tomorrow, because once I touch it tomorrow, nigga, they won't have a conference call with my fucking desk, and I haven't done no one.
Bro, but I don't get it though. You be home all day doing nothing. You just wake up and do nothing. How do you not do online class?
I'm lazy, bro. Like that.
Oh, call him. Oh. Call Giancarlos after.
Where's he gonna answer?
Hmm?
Giancarlos is in the shower.
Call him. Oh! And I just kicked my car too. Bro.
You tell me you're responsible.
Bro, that's like the fifth
Shower
time you
boy.
said.
Sorry, bang. Like that. Oh my Gucci shoes.
Damn, hold on. Let's just admire the hood so far. Look at the hood, bro.
I don't see no bitch.
Oh yeah. I got the Corona. JJ,
But then yesterday you said you was sick.
oh, we need some milk. So,
I should have brought my red one. I want to go get my red one now. What? Are you serious? What the?
damn, he took off, bro. He does like, how much seconds you think he just did right there? 10 seconds? That's a 10-second fucking car right there. That's a 10-second car right there. Hopefully it stays like this overnight. You think it will? You think the tire shine would even stay on too or no? I don't think so.
You putting the tarp over it?
Nah, it's all on these cars. Damn, but look at it.
I thought I even jumped.
Damn, look at it, bro. Just
Okay, now this is not gonna make it big. How you get a haircut just to sit inside?
Here's what happened. My brother wanted a haircut, so I said, you know what? I'm the only guy that got the barber's number, so I might as well go with him. So I just did it. Just did it like that.
With your bitch ass daddy? Huh?
Hey, look,
Your
you
bitch
see it right
ass
there? I pay for that. Not his bitch ass daddy.
She bought me like
Bow.
She bought me like
By my car?
She bought me like 2 pairs of shoes. I think even one.
Guess what? I bought some new shoes for this, and I ain't even put it on yet. Why?
Why not? But
Alright guys, it's Fresh Kicks here.
What I used to do, I put a do-rag. Like I put shit. Bop, bitch.
Bro. What's up? What kind of... How do I have no connection at JJ's house?
This is not my house.
Why are you supposed to go along with it in case anybody sees
This
my
is
address?
Chris's house. What you talking about? It's Chris' house.
Tell me how it would have worked, babe, but you know, it don't work today.